In this video, I will show you how to enable developer option in Excel. So open Microsoft Excel. Want to enable this developer tab. In your case, it's not enabled. So click on File, Options, click on Customize Ribbon. So in case this box is unselected, so make sure select it. Then click on OK. So you will see this tab, and this way you can enable. And once you need to disable, same process, File, Options, and Customize Ribbon. Now this time unselect this developer button, then click on OK. So thanks for watching. This is the method you can enable or disable that developer tab. Also you can move less for this developer tab. So first tab after file will be developer. Also you can make it in the last. Drag and drop in the last. Thanks for watching.